It's like an aftershock. Go viral on tech.